Şimdi böyle oldu. Elime çok yapışıyor. Bilmiyorum. Olmuş mu? Böyle bir şey. Biraz sert aslında ama çok yapışıyor.
Hello, sometimes there might be some despairs about kneading the dough. This young person is asking whether the dough is okay or not on the video that she has sent to her mother when she was away from home. By the way, the young person you're watching is my little daughter. You should keep adding water or flour to the dough for the consistency that you want. Now I will show you 4 different methods of kneading the dough I've prepared at the request of my daughter. Method of kneading dough for bread. I'm adding flour sufficiently to my sourdough, water and salt mixture, and mix them. I'm getting a very sticky dough, which requires strength to knead. I'm keeping my hand this way while kneading and submerge it powerfully in it. I'm pulling off a piece from the dough and putting it on the dough. I keep doing the same move consecutively and turning my container with little moves with my other hand. The dough gathers together as I knead it. As you see, I submerge my hand powerfully and lift the dough again suddenly and fastly, and leave it on the upside of the dough. If this method seems hard to you, you can wet your hands with water. With this way, the dough won't stick to your hand. The more you knead, the better will be your bread. Method of kneading dough for cookie dough. After preparing the ingredients of the cookie, I'm adding flour in it and mix them. I'm paying attention not to knead cookie dough so much because I don't want to lose the effect of the cookie melting in the mouth. Method of kneading dough for pastry dough. Similarly, I'm paying attention not to knead the pastry dough so much. I'm mixing the flour and the ingredients until they interlace. With this way, I'm not losing the effect of the pastry melting in the mouth. Pastry and cookie doughs are already oily, so they gather together fastly without kneading very much. Method of kneading dough for Turkish ravioli. Turkish ravioli dough must have a firm consistency, as different from the others. In order to do this, I'm kneading the dough powerfully by adding a little water to the ingredients and grubbing the flour. When the dough gets the consistency that I want, I'm adding water little by little in a controlled manner for the flour, left at the bottom. Later, by folding the dough and inverting it, I'm kneading the dough as much as I can. If you stay on your knees on the floor while doing it, you can use your body weight and you can get an easier and better result. You can watch my recipes of the sourdough bread, coconut cookie and pastry on my channel very soon. Do you think about planting a tree this spring? Let's spread love, peace, wealth, justice and green. More power to everyone.